Hello and welcome to our presentation on the New York Occupational Therapy Referral Requirements. My name is Zachary Edgar and my company is called Therapy Comply. Therapy Comply is a membership-based compliance website that specializes in physical, occupational, and speech therapy. We offer monthly live, full-length continuing education courses, guides and sample policies for Medicare, TRICARE, HIPAA, NCCI, OSHA, and other important federal laws, information and updates for most private insurance companies, including Medicare Advantage plans and Medicaid plans. We are working on PT, OT, and SLP compliance guides for all 50 states, along with information on Medicaid, workers' compensation, home health, and pediatric services. And we offer ongoing and comprehensive support for our members, which means that members can email us with any therapy, compliance, or billing questions for no additional cost. This presentation is for informational purposes only. None of the material is intended as legal advice. Statutes and regulations are all subject to change. The law states that a treatment program designed to restore function shall be rendered on the prescription or referral of a physician, nurse practitioner, or other healthcare provider acting within his or her scope of practice. Occupational therapists can perform an occupational therapy evaluation without a referral or prescription. These are the examples given by the board on restoring function. A treatment program for adults who have lost function due to a stroke or accident and who require therapy to restore their ability to perform activities of daily living such as dressing, bathing, and household mobility would still only be able to be performed after receipt of a prescription or referral. An OT treatment program that is not restoring a function can be provided without a referral, and the board believes that this would apply typically to school-aged children receiving therapy to assist them in developing functions they do not currently possess. Treatment programs involving handwriting, literacy, and learning disorders are examples of such therapy. Occupational therapy treatment may be rendered by a licensed OT for 10 visits or 30 days, whichever shall occur first, without a referral from a physician or nurse practitioner, provided that the licensed OT has practiced occupational therapy on a full-time basis equivalent to not less than 3 years, meaning the licensed OT has completed at least 4,320 clock hours of occupational therapy practice over a minimum of 36 months and at any time prior to beginning of such treatment. Each OT shall provide a written notice to each patient receiving treatment, absent referral from a physician or nurse practitioner, that occupational therapy may not be covered by the patient's healthcare plan or insurer without such a referral, and that such treatment may be a covered expense if rendered pursuant to a referral. The occupational therapist shall keep on file with the patient's records a form attesting to the patient's notice of such advice. Such form shall be in duplicate with one copy to be retained by the patient, signed and dated by both the OT and the patient in such form as prescribed. The notice advice form shall include the following information: a statement of such advice and a statement attesting that the patient has read the notice of advice form, the date treatment will begin, the patient's name and address, the patient's signature and date the patient signed the form, the treating occupational therapist's name and business address, and the treating occupational therapist's signature and the date the occupational therapist signed the form. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and please visit us at www.therapycomply.com.